Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to make a good prompt for YouTube titles using ChatGPT. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to chat.openai.com. Go to the message ChatGPT section and paste this prompt. So the prompt goes like this. Hey ChatGPT, I'm creating a YouTube video about. You'll have to insert your topic here. So the video will be about artificial intelligence. Can you help me come up with a catchy and engaging title that accurately represents the content of the video and will grab viewers' attention? Insert any additional details or keywords you would like to include in the title. If there's none, simply remove this and click on Send Message. Just enter your topic here in this template and ChatGPT will write a good YouTube title. So the title ChatGPT generated for my video is Unveiling the Dark Side of AI, Navigating the Perils of Artificial Intelligence. So you can get it pretty simply just by customizing this prompt. So that's how you can make a good prompt for YouTube titles using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.